friends and neighbors. This is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And look what is following me home today. Newest acquisition here of Cool Rides. Now I know you're looking at this and a lot of people are saying, well, it's not a really nice truck and it's not really a classic truck, but you know, looks can be a little deceiving. If you look a little closer, there's a couple of things that give this truck away. One are those wheels. Those are 17-inch and they are specific to this truck. These trucks were only made 2 years, 97 and 98 I believe, and limited production in different color schemes and stuff. And when you start thinking about it, that's a Dodge Ram. It's, you know, they made a blue million of them. You can see the door there. It is a Ram 1500, the Magnum V8. And so another thing that kind of gives this truck away, and I'm going to walk around to the back right quick. You see them two straps? And that right there. This is a 97? Yeah. 1997 Dodge Ram SST. You know, this SST package got the those factory racing stripes, and you know, it's a monochromatic paint scheme. Had those SST wheels. Yeah, stripes, if you can see up there, cut across the roof of it. And you know, they actually came down the hood as well. And you see where the SST logo was done into the stripe on the hood. Now the rest of the truck was pretty much standard Dodge Ram Sport affair, the Sport package, the interior and all. But these trucks were a little specific. It's a new headliner. It's a project, a work in progress. But you know, it's got a dash cap on it because these trucks are notorious for the dashes. Seats fixable. They're all bad right there. I put some carpet in it. But the overall, the old truck's solid. And the other thing that makes these trucks special, besides those wheels and the stripes and the graphics, all of these trucks came with the 5.9 liter Magnum V8, the 360, and they all came with a shore grip rear end with 355 gear. So for the time, these trucks actually ran pretty strong for, you know, for what they were. If you get a chance, I'm gonna bring you more on this one as we, you know, as we do a little to it. I'll bring you some updates on it. It's one of my favorites. This truck was come in as a kind of an answer in 1996. Dodge actually used a Ram truck as a pace truck for the Indy 500, and they were all blue with stripes up the hood like this, and they had those wheels. So the only thing, you know, that was a popular truck, and when you know, 97 rolled around, they kind of capitalized on that with the SST. And since they, you know, were only that 1 year for the pace truck, and just kind of interesting tidbit of how these trucks came about. And like I said, they were limited production, but you know, still a cool truck. So you know, if when it says Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, don't mean it couldn't be a classic truck or maybe a modern classic truck. This is Field Agent 880. This one's following me home. She's all hooked up, ready to go. Slim Jim's ready to get busy. That's our tow mule, and yeah, it's brought a lot of cool cars back to our place. Today it's bringing a cool truck. So we're gonna whirl it over. Tell you what she starts like. That's the part I like. That part right there. There she is. Purring like a kitten. day and a beautiful adventure. No adventure is complete without ice cream. So I'm glad y'all are along with me on this trip. And I think it's time for a pit stop before we get the SST truck back to the building of Oldfield Agent Motors. Hope y'all enjoy.